Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're installing a carbon-style dashboard trim cover on my 2020 BMW M340i, the pre-facelift model. I ordered this trim cover from AliExpress for about 50 euros. It's made of durable plastic with a glossy carbon fiber finish. The installation is super simple. It's held in place with pre-applied double-sided tape. No tools needed, just peel and stick. If I would do it again, I would heat the glue a little bit and then apply.
One eternity later.
Fitment-wise, it's really solid. Most of the edges align very well with the original trim. There are a couple of tiny spots where the fit isn't perfect, but you'd only notice them if you're really looking for flaws. Also, I messed up a bit over the cup holder trim, so I recommend taking that part out. You can just pull it down and easily. Honestly, it looks great and adds a much sportier vibe to the interior. I didn't install one piece to next to the speedometer because I like the original shiny black trim there. Overall, it's a great budget-friendly upgrade that gives the cabin a fresh, custom look without breaking the bank. In the next video, I got some other parts that I'm going to install, so stay tuned. And if you liked the video and found it useful, please give it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video.